Good morning, doctor, and good morning, everyone. So, my topic is syndrome of peripheral and central paralysis, differential diagnosis, and pathologic foot reflexes. Next. So, paralysis is loss of impairment of motor function in a part due to a lesion of neural and muscular mechanism. Also, by the analogy, impairment of sensory functions. Paralysis is a symptom of a wide varieties of physical and emotional disorder rather than a disease in itself. It is also called as a plessy. Next. Paralysis is divided into central. Central is also called as a spastic and peripheral. Peripheral is also called as flaccid. Central. Central or a spastic paralysis is caused by lesion of central neuron and its fiber. The fibers is also called as tractus corticospinalis or tractus corticonuclearis. Peripheral or flaccid paralysis is caused by lesion of peripheral neuron called as tractus spinomuscularis or tractus neuromuscularis. Next. Central spastic syndromes. The syndromes are quadriplegia, pseudobulbar palsy, paraplegia, and Brown-Sequard syndrome. Quadriplegia. Quadriplegia is a severe or complete loss of motor function in all four limbs, which may result from brain disease, spinal cord diseases, peripheral nervous system diseases, neuromuscular diseases, or rarely muscular diseases. The locked-in syndrome is characterized by quadriplegia in combination with a cranial muscle paralysis. Pseudobulbar palsy, a syndrome characterized by uh, dysphagia, dysphagia, dysphonia, impairment of voluntary movement of tongue and facial muscles, and emotional ability. This condition is caused by disease that affects the motor fiber that travels from cerebral cortex to lower brainstem. Paraplegia, severe or complete loss of motor function in lower extremities or lower portion of the trunk. This condition is most often associated with the spinal cord diseases, although brain disease, peripheral nervous system diseases, neuromuscular diseases, and muscular diseases may also cause bilateral leg weakness. Brown-Sequard syndrome, a syndrome associated with the injury to the lateral half of the spinal cord. Peripheral or flaccid syndrome. Uh, the syndromes consist of anterior horn cells, acute polymyositis, acute transverse myelitis, peripheral nerves, root toxins. Toxins are diphtheria, porphyria, third NMC junctions, that is botulinum toxin, tick toxin, fourth metabolic or periodic paralysis, muscular myositis, a lesion comprising the spinal cord must be ruled out. The diagnosis includes X-ray, which shows the broken bone that could cause nerve injury, image testing, uh, such as CT scan or MRI that checks for the sign of stroke or a brain injury or spinal cord injury. A whole body imaging scan shows bones, muscles, and tissues. A milligram. Milligram checks for spinal cords and nerve injuries. Electromyogram, that is EMG, test the electrical activity of nerves and muscles. Uh, Spinal tap, that is a lumbar puncture, test of spinal fluid for infection, inflammation, and disorders like multiple sclerosis. Next. Pathological reflexes of foot. Dorsiflexion of toes, Babinski group of signs, short walks, or Oppenheim plantar flexion of toes, plantar grasp, plantar muscle reflexes, rossolimocine miscellaneous, Sinkiensis movement, that is a Trumpel's sign or Poisson's signs. Next, Babinski sign. Babinski signs occurs when stimulation of lateral plantar aspect of the foot leads to extension, that is dorsiflexion or upward movement or helix. Also, there may be a fanning of other toes. Oppenheim's sign is a dorsiflexion of a greater toe that allied by irritation downwards of irritation downwards of medial side of the tibia. Chadwick reflexes is by stimulating the dorsolateral aspect of the foot from the posterior portion of the skin, just the beneath of the external malleus anteriorly along the external edge of the foot. Next. So Rossolimo signs. The Rossolimo signs is the flexion of the toes responding to the tapping of the ball of the foot, percussing the plantar surface of the greater toe, tapping or stroking the ball of the toe, or giving a quick lifting snap to the toe to the tips of the toe. Thank you.